Hey beautiful people, today I'm coming at you to bring you another Updo. So today I'm coming to, I love this style. I'm just going to jump into this video. Now my hair, I have been prepping it for this video shoot. It's already parted and I have been maintaining it. I have left it alone the past couple of days. I went back to my old routine. I only use 3 products in my hair. I use the olive oil cream by ORS. I use the coconut oil mix with my castor oil. And I use my natty oil, what was it? The hair food. So those 3 products are the only thing. I did not spray it down with water because my hair is still blow dried. And yes, there is shrinkage. There's shrinkage, so I am going to try to stretch this as much as I can for this video and for the style. Now for the back it doesn't really matter, but for the front I'm not sure how this is going to work. But what you need to do is part it at a diagonal. And so you see, like right here, I'm going to kind of make sure that the part is a little bit straighter than that. And I'll work on one side first. I'll do the right side first. So you just want to, my hair is really tight. So it probably would have helped if I put the comb through it first. But see, you just want to part. For some reason my parts are extremely wide spaced in between, which I don't really care too much for that, but this is what I've been given. So you got to thank God for that. Thank God for every blessing. So I do not like combing my hair when it's dry. I really don't. I'm going to put a little bit of almond oil. I'm not coating it too much. I'm just going to put a few drops just to add a little bit of shine. Plus it's been twisted up for a couple of days. Ooh. I have a split now. Okay. Now I would brush it with this, but I'm not going to even try that because I know I'm going to rake the brush through my hair and it's not going to be pretty. So I'm going to gently comb it through. But this part doesn't really need to be that combed through because you're really just going to be putting this up. So you're going to sweep this back, and what I can do is brush it. And you want to pin the sides. I'm probably going to put 2 bobby pins. Just to hold that down. And what I'm going to swing on this side so you can see, I'm going to take this and I'm just going to take it from the tips and start twisting the ends. And then you're just going to flip it up so it folds, and you're going to pin. And it doesn't matter if you're going to see this little fold because that's going to be hidden, the ends. So you're going to take the other side and you just, you want it a little bit loose. You don't want it too tight. You just want it to be like a French roll, kind of similar to a French roll. You take the other side, and this side is parted fairly well. Comb this a little bit so it's a little bit smoother. I'm tender-headed. You can just imagine when I was a child getting my hair done, how this was a hot mess. My mother wouldn't have to fight with me to get my hair done when I was little. Okay, so once you have this combed out, you're going to put a little bit of this almond oil. Yay, 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 yay. And you're just going to coat it lightly. And you're going to also smooth it back with my brush. Feels so good. And you're just going to pan. I love this style because it is so classy and elegant, and it just is so simple to do. This is going to be perfect for the holidays. This is definitely a holiday hairstyle. And then you take this and you're going to do the same thing. You want to start from the tip. You want to start twisting lightly. Does not have to be tight. And then you're just going to fold it. But you're going to be folding it this way in. So it looks like this. And you just put a bobby pin. I'm just doing 2, but you can actually use a lot more bobby pins to hold. And there you go. So the back is done. And you just want to brush up so it's nice and neat. You can add some gel. And you can actually, if you wanted to do, you can do a mohawk look where you push the pin, you can add more pins to push it closer together. But I like mine loose, so it looks kind of like a French roll. And then for the front, you're just gonna take this. Oh, I didn't tell you what you need. Part this at a diagonal, and then I'm just gonna comb this. And you just want to make sure your hair is smooth when you're doing this. You just want to see. I see a knot, but I don't have my scissors to get that out. See that? I do not like to keep those single strand knots in my hair. I cut them out as soon as I see them. So you take this and you start rolling it to your scalp, and you roll it towards the front, and you just roll this, keep rolling it, and you want to make it nice. Once you see it nice and smooth and it's like a bubble, you want to pin. And it's okay if you pin it to the other side of your head. That's fine, because this part is going to be hidden, so you're not even going to see this. And of course I do 2. And then you're going to take this last piece, the top part, and you're going to comb this out. And this style only takes about 5 minutes too, and it's so elegant looking and classy. I love this, and it's just beautiful. Beautiful style. So just take a little bit of oil, massage that in. You're going to bring this to the front and swing it over. So start rolling this way, rolling it in. Which can I roll? If I roll it out and roll it under. You can do it both ways. You can roll it out or you can roll it in. Let me see how. I don't know which way I like it better. I do like it rolled in. And then lift it up so you see that bump, and then you're going to just tuck it underneath. So that's why you're not going to see this. You're not going to see the ends because you're tucking it and sliding it over. And then you're just going to pin this to the side. Oh. Wait a minute. There you go. You want to make sure you tuck that little end in. So the only thing you see is that bump. Kind of disclose that other part. You want to leave that separated so you can have a little bit of a design going on. And there you have it. So this is another rendition of my updos for the series. And as far as the back, there's two pieces here that is showing, so you can actually add something a little flirty, something to conceal the ends. You can actually put them together so you just don't see it, and then put a hair accessory so you don't see it. You can use a hair clip. This probably wouldn't do the job because it's actually open, but something like this, if you had anything that will kind of hide that bump. Not the bump, but I'm talking about the ends of your hair. So there you have it. Hope you liked this video. 2 thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe if this is your first time watching the channel. Make sure you click on a few of my other videos so you can get familiar with who I am, what I like, what kind of videos I showcase. And that would be it. Thanks for watching. Bye. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button below. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Support my channel. And if this is your first time watching, please make sure that you click on a few of my other videos to get familiar, watch some other tutorials and product reviews. And I'm trying to think of what else. I just love this hairdo. I love this. This is a beautiful style, I just have to say.